Yo, what's up? This is Dave Gambrill from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gambrill. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video of you if you want, or an image, or a robot, or a Pixar image of you, or a cartoon image of you, or even a dog talking, a cartoon dog. Whatever it is you want to create, I'm going to show you how to do this with AI using two simple websites. Okay, the first one you're looking at right now is ChatGPT. You can also use Sora if you want. It's part of ChatGPT. If you have access to it, you should have access to Sora, and it depends on what level you have, whether it's free or you're paying for it, and what level you're paying for it, how many different variations you can do at one time. But all you're going to do is you're going to go into ChatGPT. You're going to put in your prompt, okay? There's a prompt that I put in today. I'm going to click go, and it's going to start creating that for me. Now, I already did this for the sake of time. Here's the image that was created, and I'm going to use a similar one to show you how this was done. So you go ahead and click download to download the image so you have it on your computer, and you can do the same thing on a website called Sora. Like I mentioned, you could just create more versions of it. And so here you'll see there's one I created in Sora as well. Then you're going to take that image. Okay, so this is going to take you a couple minutes. Just create whatever it is you're looking to create on ChatGPT. Give it a minute or two, download the image. We're going to head over to Hedra, and what you're going to do is put what you want to have happen. So let me move myself out of the way there, and you can put animate this image so the mouth and face and arms and body fit the audio. Pretty simple. Let's just do something like that, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to add an image, okay? So you can either create an image from scratch right here in Hedra, which is pretty cool. You can capture an image. You could use your camera if you want, or you can upload an image, okay? I'm going to go ahead and just for the sake of this, use one of the images that we just got, okay? And then what you can do is you go here in the audio script, and you can either generate text to speech, which is what I'm going to show you how to do here. You can also record your own audio, so you can just click record and record it right through your computer microphone, or if you have a nice add-on microphone, you can do that as well. Or you can upload audio if you've recorded somewhere else, maybe like 11 Labs. There's a little bonus for you today. So let's just do generate speech, and then in this case, I'm going to say, hey, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah. Whoops, splash, splash, splash. No, blah. Blah, 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 whatever. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you can choose a voice. In this case, I tend to use Jessica. And then you click generate audio so you can listen to it. Okay, I did it really short, so it should go fast. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear this through the browser here in a second. You'll see it goes relatively quickly. It depends on how many people are using the website, things like that. But I like to preview the audio first just to make sure it matches. And then,
how's it going? Blah, blah, blah.
Hope you heard that. I don't know if you can hear it through the browser or you can hear it through here. By the way, Hedra is a paid app. There's different prices that you can pay for depending on the level that you want to get.
Hey, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, so there's the audio, and then you just add it to the video. And then you literally just click this right here. It will create the video, and it will queue it up. Now, we'll come back to in a second. I'll show you some of the things I already have in my library so you can see how absolutely amazing this thing is. You can see I've been using this robot theme for a while. Here's one that I created. You'll see the text prompt was very basic. Animate the character's mouth, face, and body to match the audio. She should be happy and encouraging and have good eye contact with camera, blah, blah, blah. Here's the audio text that I used. So again, this was a text-to-speech capability. I did not record the audio, right? It was done right here on Hedra. And then you'll see.
Hey there. As you can probably tell, I'm not real. Or am I? Actually, Dave Gambrill created me in less than 5 minutes with 2 simple prompts using 2 apps.
The 2 apps are ChatGPT and Hedra. So that is really the entire process. You get an image, you come over here to Hedra, you create the text-to-speech, whatever it is you want, you upload the image, and then you go ahead and click go. And let's see if our one that I did today is ready. No, it's not quite ready yet. Just the audio is in there. But, oh no, here, this might be it right here. Let's see if it's ready. It's relatively short, so it should be.
Hey, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah.
See? So really fast. All that literally was an image that I created, ChatGPT, brought it to Hedra,
Hey, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah.
animates it just like that. So hopefully you find this amazing as I did. It's worth paying for. It's obviously worth paying for ChatGPT at $20 a month or whatever you're going to pay. I don't know. I forget what the Hedra options are. You could check it out. But if you're trying to create your own marketing images or you just want to create stuff that catches people's attention, I'll tell you what, this robot thing that I did caught lots of people's attention. I got lots of people to opt into my email list. Maybe you're one of them because it's so darn simple. So if you can type, that's all you need to do to be able to do this. With ChatGPT and Hedra, you can make amazing images like this. I hope this served you. If you're not already on my email list getting access to these, maybe somebody shared this with you or you're watching on YouTube, go to gambrill.com/AI help. That's Gambrill, GAMBRILL.com/AI help, all one word. You'll get on my list. You'll get access to videos like this and all kinds of other cool stuff that I'm sending out. See ya.